Hello, you're watching English News program of CNC. Here with you today, I am Tana. I'll start with today's headlines. Ministry of Health announces 2 other British nationals tested positive with COVID-19. Interior Ministry's spokesperson announces legal action to arrest fake news spreaders regardless of their whereabouts. Private sector to contribute with the government to prevent and respond to the spread of COVID-19. Interior Ministry's spokesperson says number of offenses increased in 2019 while number of crimes decreased. Ministry of Health announces other 2 British nationals tested positive with COVID-19. The Ministry of Health has released an urgent report on the 12th of March 2020 that Parademics found 2 more passengers on Viking cruise journey in Kampong Cham province carrying COVID-19. The 2 are a 73-year-old British man and his wife, a 69-year-old British woman. The finding of COVID-19 positive on the British couple came after the Ministry of Health took samples of 59 people on the Viking cruise journey for testing at Pasteur Institute in Phnom Penh. In total, there are 3 British passengers out of the total 64 passengers and crew members on the ship who are positive with COVID-19. This is according to the Ministry of Health. The remaining Viking cruise journey passengers and crew members are dispatched from the ship in the afternoon of March the 12th and are accommodated at a hotel by the riverbank for further quarantine of 14 days despite their negative results of COVID-19. Interior Ministry's spokesperson announces legal action to arrest fake news spreaders regardless of their whereabouts. His Excellency General Kieu Sophet, Secretary of State and spokesman of the Ministry of Interior on Thursday morning, March the 12th, announced a serious legal action and arrest those who distribute fake information on social media about COVID-19, even if they are abroad. During a press conference on the progress and continued direction of the Ministry of Interior, His Excellency General Kieu Sophet claimed that so far the police have detained 3 people who posted fake news on social media. Among them, 2 were sent to court and another one received a warning. General Kieu Sophet said that if the Facebook account is fake, as long as Cambodia is under Cambodian law, they cannot escape from us. You want to create the fake account, you are still known. There are all kinds of detectable technology, except in some cases abroad. General Kieu Sophet indicated that the authorities have difficulties in investigating the fake Facebook accounts abroad, which sometimes the country in which the person is located appear to not cooperate with Cambodian authorities. He added that all the persons who posted all fake information have already been identified. The spokesman for the Ministry of Interior also called on Cambodians living abroad not to try to destroy their homeland. General Kieu Sophet noted that spreading false information is extremely dangerous for society. Private sector contributes with the government to prevent and respond to the spread of COVID-19. His Excellency Momonhay, Minister of Health, said at the handover ceremony of protective equipment of health officials from Medtex and Manhattan Group that the donation of the safety clothes and other medical equipment total of $722,000 to fight with the spread of COVID-19 from Medtex and Manhattan Group today is the humanitarian aid, and it is a generous gesture of the management and staff of Medtech and Manhattan Group to the Royal Government of Cambodia, which will continue to strengthening the capacity to respond to the urgent matter. For the current issue of COVID-19 virus, the safety clothes and medical equipment will only be used whenever there is an outbreak of the disease in the future, and this is another contribution to improve the quality of lives of the Cambodian people. Interior Ministries spokesperson says number of offenses increased in 2019 while the number of crimes decreased. On March the 12th, 2020, at the press conference of the Progress and Continued Working Direction of the Ministry of Interior, His Excellency General Keo Sopet, spokesman for the Ministry of Interior, said that in 2019, the royal government of Cambodia, with the Ministry of Interior, achieved great success in ensuring peace and social stability, including the local authorities, military forces, national police, who all have an important core role in managing the situation, and the measures to prevent and neutralize a timely suppression and manipulation activities of the outlawed rebel group. At the same time, the national police have got many achievements in cracking down all kinds of crimes as well as strong national defense, territorial integrity, and protection of the borderline. On the other hand, the offenses, despite its rise, did not reflect the weakening of all-party cooperation because 89% of the offenses were suppressed. The crime rate, which has a negative impact on the psychopaths, have been reduced significantly for such cases like rape, murder, intentional violence, misuse and illegal use of firearms. According to a survey from a private company, namely Onco Research, it is found that 84.3% of people are confident in the law enforcement forces, and 81.1% of the people feel safe in their villages and communes. In 2019, the number of communes in the first rank has increased to 145, while only 3 communes are not in any rank. That is all for today's program. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Goodbye.